Hey guys, we're back at the Halesowen Golf Range. Apologise if my camera isn't focusing. It's very bright around here. Come on. There you go. Well anyway, it's Leeds Gamer here and we're on another walk at the exact same place, but this time we're going all the way round. Remember my last vlog about this? Well, I've decided I'm going to the same place again. And tomorrow I'll be doing a vlog to Leeshouse Park. If you haven't heard of it, it's somewhere in Halesowen where I live. So yeah, and you're probably wondering, what is a Leeds United fan doing in Halesowen? Well, pretty long story actually. Well, it goes down in my family. My mum's side of the family, they've always been Leeds fans up until my great-granddad, who was a West Brom fan. And from then on, we just became Leeds fans. Well, my great-granddad was always West Brom, but you don't need to hear about my family, guys. God, this is a YouTube video. We're not on Dr. Phil or something like that in America. Well, it's a nicer day today, as you can see, and it's literally nearly 8 o'clock at night, and it's lovely and warm. It's about 25 degrees out. Oh, there's a little cow there. Or is it a horse? Yeah, it's a horse, sorry. Well, anyway, it's a lovely day, so I thought I'd do another vlog. Yeah, no, I'm doing Leeshouse Park tomorrow because I couldn't be bothered to get to drive today, get my car out. So yeah. Oh God, dark under this again. Apologies, guys. Oh God, why didn't I just stick to gaming? Whatever. Oh, whatever. Over 16, all good. Oh, look, there's a little robin there. Oh, it's gone. Oh, no, it's still there. There, you can see that, guys. Just there. That's a robin. And it's gone. Oh, it's just there. See that? It's a robin. Actually very rare in Halesowen, these are. Whatever. Yeah. Approach it super quietly. See if we can get. No. Oh, it's gone. Whatever. Oh, such a lovely day. Oh, look at that sun behind us. A random car park here. I won't show the number plate though, due to the owner maybe watching, and he maybe wanted me to take it off a YouTube or he'll take legal action, but I'm not one of those people who takes that risk. I will not film number plates. Oh, I've been meaning to actually find this for a while. There's that archery board I've been looking for. I could see it out my bedroom window, but I never thought it was in the golf range. I thought it was in Smallwood, which is by where I live. And well, yeah. Well, it's a lovely day out, isn't it? I mean, if you're stuck in self-isolation at home, at least you can watch this video and just express the outdoors. And I really apologise I haven't uploaded the last couple of days. Said I was going to upload twice 2 days ago, but I never got round to it. So I'm going to try and get 3 videos out today. 3! To cover yesterday and the day before's. So, yep, this is the first one. This is meant for today. So, yeah. All good. Just got some lovely fields. Hear the birds chirping and I'll just zoom in on some random birds, and yeah, there you go. See that one? I will go to some more exciting places. I won't just come in. I just couldn't be bothered to walk anywhere else. Off Moorwood was too far to walk. It's about half an hour from where I live, and this is only about 10 minutes. Well, it's 20 minutes there and back, so it'll be about an hour there and back. Oh, one magpie, not good luck. They can see it. But don't worry, guys. You won't get bad luck. I'll just get the bad luck because I saw it first, and I let you know. So don't worry, I'll just have the bad luck. Oh God, I got a terrible itch on my back. Oh. Yeah, that's probably it. Oh look, another robin. Oh, whatever, you can't see it very well. Oh God, what a sunset. That is a lovely sunset. Huh. What lovely outdoors. Yeah. I don't know why I just don't do much lately. I get all my schoolwork done and then I literally watch Titanic, the whole film, for some reason, about 3 hours. And I completely forgot about making a video, so I decided to do another nature walk because I was stuck inside for 3 hours watching Titanic in 1997. It's a good film, if you haven't heard of it. I prefer the first one from 1951 though. And I really hope they actually do build the Titanic 2, the Blue Star Line, in 2022. Well, comment down below if you think they should. And comment down below if you think it's going to survive its main voyage or is it going to sink? Is history going to repeat itself? I honestly think that it will make it because we have all the technology on board the Titanic 2 to make it way safer. Because the history won't repeat itself, I'm not too sure. I think we'll be all good on that one. I used to think it would sink, but that was when I was younger, when they first announced it in 2013. I was like, oh God, how old was I? It's 2020 now, I've got coronavirus, so yeah. Well, I ain't got coronavirus, coronavirus is whatever. Now. Well, I'd say I was still in secondary school then. Like, maybe just... I'd say I was either starting secondary or was already... And whatever you don't need to know. And yeah, just got some horses, just a hey buddy, you're in a video. Please like and subscribe, horse. Just tell your owner to like and subscribe. Yeah, you too. Don't stare at me like that. You're not going to like and subscribe. You better, because you're in a shout out right now. Shout out to those horses. You just can't be. You're just sitting there just eating. What's that say? Please do not feed the horses. What how the hell am I going to feed those horses if all that's there? God, it stinks of manure as well. Oh, what was this? It's just about the lockdown. How the hell am I going to get through here? Oh, God, it's a bit... let's just climb over the gate. This is very hard. Oh, God, that was hard. Yeah. What lovely scenery, guys. I must say. Oh, it's just this random farm over here. Yep. Lovely. I don't know why I'm just zooming on bushes though. What lovely trees. Do you think so? Do you think that's nice, guys? Yeah, I think there's just this random pile of logs. I don't really know what to say because I'm not the type of person who does nature vlogs, but I think I could get some wider audiences, so I wanted to go the extra mile. Oh, dandelions. Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3. God. I had no idea there was a bee on there. Yeah. Well, it's clearly not 4 o'clock, is it? Or 3 o'clock, whatever the damn thing said. Oh, well, we're back here again. Yeah, the video is going to just, because that's just public footpath though. Hang on, is that a public footpath? Oh no. What? I don't think I'll enter farmland. Why do they call it farmland? Why is there flipping barbed wire on this if it's a public footpath? It just says public footpath. And it points to the gate. And the gate has flipping barbed wire all over it. God, you had one job, mate. One job. Oh, this reminds me of one of Sniper Wolf's videos about you have one job. A very long time ago. Oh, shout out to Sniper Wolf. I sometimes watch her. So, well, anyway, looks like this will be the end of our video now. So, that'll be soon. That's that. Oh, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.